triangles which symbolize the Nepal flag. Of course, the only country in the world which has a national flag which is not completely a rectangle or perhaps a square. Nepal, and one thing that they will want for that, let's surprise you of the teams. And Maldives have the man of the match and 2-goal man from Joshua Hassan Naiz.
Yaqoobi Omar, the Omanis referee.
Really looking forward to this prospect of two teams which play a contrasting side.
For Nasheed Ahmed, whipped in a lovely cross, would have gotten very close to this ball for look. Yes, he attempted that, but just a little flick on, and December, even though Nepal went on to lose 1-0 Bangladesh. Whips in a decent cross, but straight to the Faisal, the 27-year-old Club Valencia goalkeeper who's done such an outstanding job right through this Bangabandhu Gold Cup 2016.
Sure. Here go Nepal once again moving forward. Vishal Rai on with a touch. There goes down, but advantage played by the referee from Oman. This is a ball slipped through. It's a chance for Vimal Nagar. Comes off the near post, still a chance, and it's been finished off by Navayuk Shrestha. 31st minute strike. What an outstanding goal here. Nepal lead, and you cannot call it against the run of play because they've had lion's share of possession. They've had almost all the shots on goal, and they've finally been rewarded for all this effort here.
The Mountain Kingdom have done it because they were showing in flashes. What a brilliant move there. Vimal Nagar, all credit. His left footer striking the upright. Just ricochet, and such a brilliant follow-up there from Navayuk Shrestha. That 25-year-old man from Army puts Nepal up, and now things are going to be absolutely lively.
Let's take a close look at this. Could it be a own goal perhaps, because he was looking to make a clearance there. It was perhaps such a pleasant surprise. Their spirit today, still looking for that second goal and still looking to press on. Know that the one goal advantage is not enough. Could be a chance here. It is finished off by Vishal Rai. It's 2-0 in favor of Nepal, and a 52nd minute strike from Vishal Rai could just see them through to the finals.
Nobody in the wildest dream would have thought that Nepal would be up by 2-0. That was a lovely little flick on, and a beautiful finish by Vishal Rai. The goalkeeper had come out of the charge, Faisal, and finally that Rabin Shrestha cross. Little bit of flick on from Anjan, and look at that, what a brilliant finish. So Nepal, it's all rocking right now.
This is tough and better, especially with the interest from the central concerned. Oh, what a finish in the meantime! Navayuk Shrestha with a finish that would have done any top-class footballer around the world proud. It's 3-0 in the 62nd minute. Nepal are going to play in their first Bangabandhu Gold Cup final.
Team, but they have started to believe that really they can do it. What a brilliant ball put in. Navayuk beating the defender there, and no chance whatsoever for Qasim Samam. He was slightly slow to react. What a lovely ball put in by Vikram Lama. Outstrip, right foot, right at the roof of the net. Brilliant stuff.
Their best currency of exchange in matches like this is goals. And can they find one here just to make the last few seconds exciting? Oh, terrific finish! Nasheed Ahmed, is this game on? Because there's still 13 minutes to go after this.
And finished by this man Nasheed, who had scored against India in the SAF Cup. India clear, and I was mentioning Divine time and again that Viraj Mahajan is injured.
Now a chance, Navayuk! Outstanding save from Faisal though. Denies his hat-trick, but gets it out for a corner.
Very sloppy defending, and that would have led the fourth one in. What were the defenders doing? Oh, dear to goodness.
Into the final. Taking on the Bahrain young boys. Should be 4 minutes of added time.
So that's a lifeline. That could be Nepal number 4.
Navayuk Shrestha. Nepal 4, Maldives 1. Look at that ball. Look at little turn with the right foot and a little jab finally.
Brilliant work, brilliant, excellent. And Fazil had no chance. Vikram Lama put him through. The defender much away, had no chance there. Qasim Samam, and he gets the hat-trick.
Performance by the Nepalese side, a very spirited side, the young side. And they showed the skill. So it's all over here at the Bangabandhu National Stadium.
It was a great work by the